Before you decide whether Modalyst is the right dropshipping software for you, here are 12 key things you need to know. We'll compare it to other popular platforms so you can make a more informed choice. Stick with me until the end, and I'll even show you a better alternative that you can try for free. First off, Modalyst's key feature is its wide product catalog. It offers over 1 million products, which is impressive compared to some competitors like Oberlo, which has a more limited selection. But while it offers variety, it can be overwhelming for beginners trying to find the right products quickly. Next, one of Modalyst's strengths is its supplier network. Unlike some dropshipping platforms, Modalyst works with suppliers who ship globally and have faster shipping times. This can be a huge plus if you're targeting international customers. However, while Modalyst boasts faster delivery, it's still not as fast as some of the top-tier suppliers on platforms like Spocket, which focuses on US and EU-based suppliers for even quicker shipping. The third thing is that Modalyst offers automated order fulfillment. Once a customer buys from your store, Modalyst automatically places the order with the supplier, making the process much smoother. But keep in mind, some other platforms like Salehu require more manual input, so this feature is a great time saver for those looking to scale. The fourth thing to consider is pricing. Modalyst has a free plan, but if you want access to premium features, you'll need to go for one of their paid plans. Compared to alternatives like AliExpress, which offers free dropshipping with no monthly fees, Modalyst can get expensive, especially when you factor in the subscription fees. Next, let's talk about integration. Modalyst works well with Shopify, BigCommerce, and Wix, so if you're using one of these platforms, integration will be seamless. However, it lacks integration with some other e-commerce platforms like WooCommerce, which might be a deal breaker for some sellers who prefer WordPress-based setups. The sixth thing to know is that Modalyst offers a curated marketplace, meaning you can choose to sell products from verified suppliers. While this reduces the risk of unreliable suppliers, it also means you're limited to the products Modalyst vets. This can be restrictive compared to other platforms like AliExpress, where you can choose from an even wider range of suppliers, albeit with more risk. Now, the seventh thing, customer support. Modalyst provides email support and a help center, but it's not the fastest compared to the instant chat support some competitors, like Spocket, offer. If you're in a hurry, you might find yourself waiting a bit longer for a resolution. The eighth thing is pricing transparency. Modalyst charges a fee based on the number of orders processed. So while it seems straightforward, the fees can add up if you have a lot of orders coming in. Platforms like Oberlo, on the other hand, have a more predictable fee structure, making budgeting easier. The ninth point is their product pricing model. Modalyst allows you to mark up prices and set your own margins, but some products may come with a higher cost compared to other suppliers. So you'll need to factor in those higher costs when determining your profit margins. The 10th thing to note is the platform's ease of use. Modalyst has an intuitive user interface that's beginner-friendly. This is a big plus if you're new to dropshipping. However, more experienced sellers might find the lack of advanced features limiting compared to other platforms like Salehu, which offers more customization options for seasoned entrepreneurs. Next, there's the issue of product sourcing. Modalyst mainly works with US and global suppliers, but if you want a truly exclusive product range, it might not be the best fit. Spocket, for example, focuses more on US and EU suppliers, giving you access to unique, high-quality items. The 12th and final point, Modalyst's product reviews. While the platform allows customers to leave reviews, it's not as robust as some other platforms like AliExpress, where you can get a better sense of product quality through reviews. With Modalyst, you'll have to rely on the supplier's ratings, which can sometimes be limited. So, is Modalyst a good option? It has a lot of features that make it competitive in the dropshipping space, especially for those looking for faster shipping and automated order fulfillment. However, its pricing, limited integrations, and lack of advanced features might not make it the best choice for everyone. If you want a better alternative that offers more flexibility and a wider range of suppliers, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free. The link is in the description below.